Hi, I'm Robbie, and this is Robbie's Garage. In today's installment, I'd like to take a pulse poll. As you can see in front of you, there is a 1956 Ford Country sedan. Now this car has the 292 cubic inch T-bird engine option. It has about 60,000 original miles on it, and the same owner for the last 20 years. The car's 90% unrestored. It was repainted 40 years ago. It does have fresh heads, new valves, rocker arms and shafts, hardened seats in the heads, which enables it to use regular unleaded gas, and it also has a pressurized oiling system. So my dilemma is, what do I want to do with this car? It's very straight, all the stainless is on it. The interior is great. Do I want to just do a total restoration on it back to stock? As I said, it has the T-bird engine option, 1956 first year, so that's obviously something I want to keep. It does have a 2-speed automatic transmission. I would at least like to swap it over to a 3-speed automatic at minimal. It is the Y block, so there's there's a lot of transmissions available for this thing. Do I want to turn it into a Bonneville salt flat car, or maybe a push car or a beach cruiser? You could even turn it into a drag car, but a specimen as fine as this, I probably don't want to do that. I don't see very many of these around. So anyway, I'm open for ideas. This will be a project car that I will follow and do the films on every piece of work we do on it from beginning to end. And I would just like to know what ideas people have out there. I've never had a vehicle like this, so I'm very open to what I want to do. Anyway, I look forward to your comments, and I will see you next time. Thank you.